everyone, welcome back to another YouCut video editing new tutorial 003. My name is Lambrini. Today we are going to learn PIP, pictures in pictures, or videos in videos, which means we are going to stack files over files. Next we are going to use filters, effect, text, mask, and animation. In this tutorial we are going to use our song recording files, photos, and videos from the internet. The song title is Star Various Artists. Let's get going. Open up the YouCut app, press the plus circle for new project. Now we are going to import the video introduction or beginning. Go to material, choose beginning. Scroll down and choose the one you like. Test to play it. Then press the arrow circle to import it. Something like that. It's a little bit slow and it takes too long, and I'm going to speed it up. Select the file and press speed. Adjust the speed you want. Now we are going to add the music effect on the introduction. Place the timeline orange bar at the beginning. Press music, go to effect, choose any sound effect you want. I am going to use glitch effect. Test to play the effect. Press use to import it. Look here, the intro video and sound effect timeline are not matching. Please make the effect adjustment to align with the intro video. To align the sound effect in the intro video, you just change the effect speed. That's good. Great. For the introduction or the beginning of your video, you can create your own video, but now we are going to do only YouCut. Let's continue to import our video recording song. I'm going to import our song recording file. Select the file and import it. Now we are in edit panel. This file will be a main video with the bass sound. This file is already set. We are going to use the whole length. Play it. Please don't judge how we play the instrument and how we sing. Bear with us. Thank you. Now we are going to add filters on video. Let's get going. Place the timeline bar on the video you want to filter. Press filter. Slide left or right to look around the filter you like. Remember, you cannot choose Pro Filter if you use free version. Test the filter whether you like them or not. So I'm gonna use natural. Press adjust to control the lightness, contrast, and other stuff. Then press checkmark. If you don't like the filter, you can go back and choose original. Test to play it. It is cool, ain't it? Now I'm going to use PIP, picture in picture. I have to import video recording files with two angles. I already put the main file in edit panel. Now I'm going to add another file with PIP feature over the main file. These two files have the same sound, so we have to match the same sound and movement. Let's do this. Move the time frame bar at the beginning of the main file. Press PIP and then import another recording video. Okay, we need to pull the video size into full frame. Go to Edit Features, slide till you find Fill. Press Fill. Test to play video whether the sound matches one another. The sound don't match. If the sound and the movement do not match, just zoom in and move the PIP file till it matches the main file. Press down the PIP file, move to align the main file. Test to play the video. Okay, now we are going to silence the sound of the PIP file because we are gonna use only the main file sound. Press volume and slide to the lowest volume. Now we are going to add the mask on the PIP file. That way we can see both videos. It will look cool. Let's get going. Select the PIP file and press mask. I am going to use circle. You can adjust the feather to blur the frame. To be able to fit both videos, I am going to resize the mask. Press checkmark when you are done. Now you can place the mask video anywhere you want to make it bigger or smaller. Then test to play it. Now we are going to add animation on PIP file to appear slowly. Select PIP file, press animation and choose the one you like. Adjust the time as you like. Now I'm going to remove the mask when the keyboard starts playing the drum beat. I'm going to stop right there. Select the PIP file, split that PIP file. Do you see the green arrow? That means we already split the PIP file into 2 tracks. Go to Mask and select None. Now press Fit and Fill into full frame. Test to play the video transition. Now I'm going to add filter and animation on the splitted PIP video. Select PIP, find the filter and choose the one you like. I am going to choose natural. Go to adjust and adjust the lightness, contrast, and so on. Take your time to make your video look better. Now I am going to add animation on that video. Select the PIP video and press animation. Choose any animation you like. I'm going to choose zoom out and adjust the time. After that, you can click check mark when you are done. How is it? I hope you guys are following along and get some ideas from this video. Unfortunately, I need to stop here because I don't want the video to be too long. We will continue adding more features on our singing video. Stay tuned and catch you guys on the next video. Peace.